सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Page 221, verse 260. यदा सर्वे प्रभिद्यन्ते हृदयग्रन्थयस्त्विति कामग्रन्थिस्वरूपेण व्याख्याता वाक्यशेषतः. From 210 onwards up to 246, Vidyaranya discussed Veda and Abheda. That means we all accept Bheda at Vyavaharika level. We never say there is no Bheda at all. We accept the Bheda, the difference or duality. At the same time, we understand the Abheda Atma, non-dual. Abheda means non-dual, differenceless. Abheda Atma. I accept Bheda, I understand Abheda. I accept Bheda, but I don't count Bheda, because it is mithya. I accept it, but I never count it. What I count is Abheda Atma is countable. It alone comes under Gananam. That alone is real. So this is the topic from 210 to 246. From 247, Vidyaranya talking about different problems the student face. The student raise questions regarding Jnanam and Anubhava, Advaita Jnanam and Advaita Anubhava. Jnanam is different, Anubhava is different according to the student. The more we are listening, we get lot of doubts. It takes lot of time to get clarity. It takes lot of time to get clarity. Therefore, we have to be very, very patient enough to continue the Shastra. We have to wait and see. Be slow and steady. Be slow and steady wins the race. So in Shastra also we need a lot of titiksha until we get clarity. It comes and shakes you. However much you listen, every situation coming and shaking you. Every situation or every experience, how much you have received Shastra, some jolt, like once in a while. All the time jolt comes, we can't stand. Once in a while, at body level, at a family level, at other levels, jolt comes. Disturbance in the mind comes. Then it proves where you are, how much you have to go further. That is good. Jolt is always good. No? By studying Shastra, immediate benefit what we get slowly, refinement of the mind. All of us, first when you are listening to Shastra for few months, few years, few decades, your mind is so calm than previous, so refined and relaxed, steadiness comes in the mind. This is a byproduct of Shastra study. Never conclude this is moksha. Okay? Your tranquility, your poisousness, your serenity, and the way you move and so calm and quiet, don't think that is moksha. That is only a byproduct. Just because of Shastra study, the mind gets a tremendous tranquility. Your journey is not over. Your journey is ready in artham. Your journey is starting in artham. So ரொம்ப difficult. After 5 years, 10 years of consistent study, after 5-10 years of consistent study, your mind gets tranquility because Chitta Shuddhi comes, Ekagrata comes, then you are ready for takeoff. Until that time, only runway. This is only runway. After engine starting, immediately a flight cannot be go up. It should not. How is the condition? Flight condition, the air pilot has to see. So it to take off, it needs lot of running on the floor. It run, such a fast it runs. Because of engine starting. That's called Shastra starting and artham. Example, Shastra starting means engine starting like. Then Chitta Shuddhi and Ekagrata, Karma Yoga, Upasana Yoga, mental tranquility, all these called runway. Once you are runway, then you are slowly coming to understand Shastra, that is called takeoff. You are trying to get clarity, what is Tvam, what is Tat, what is Asi. That starts. After listening to Shastra for a length of time, person recognize, I the Atma am ever free from desires, mind is never free from desires. I cannot avoid desires in the mind. They are bound to be there. That is the discussion here. The student asked, after knowledge also, after Brahmajnanam also, I am seeing many people are having dissatisfaction. Who, not ordinary people, so-called Panchadasi students, so-called Prasthanastraya students, still they have dissatisfaction. Why this dissatisfaction? Atrupti asantushtaha te. For that Acharya said, they have not studied Shastra properly. There is some buddhi dosha in them. Still they are having asantushti. That means dissatisfaction, means some buddhi dosha. They have not received the teaching clearly, exactly what it has to be received. It is not the mistake of Shastra teaching, but it is the mistake of their clarity. Pramatru doshaha, natu prameya doshaha, natu pramana doshaha. There is no dosha in Shastra Pramanam. There is no dosha in Brahman. The dosha is only in one's own pramatru buddhi, means the receiver. Therefore, after listening this, also student is asking again, Yada sarve pramuchyante kama yesya hridishritaha. Kathopanishad says, all the desires will go away from the mind of that person. Kama yesya hridishritaha. All of them pramuchyante. They will go away from him. Upanishad says, but na drishtam. I am not seeing that in anyone. In anyone, I am not seeing. All of them are having lot of desires. They are not free from desires. ஒரு ஆசிரமம் இல்லை, 10 ஆசிரமம் கட்டுறா எதுக்கு? All are great, great Mahatmas, Swamijis. Why they have all the desires? What for they want? Atma Swarupandane. Why they have to do all these things? Question comes. What Upanishad says? I am not seeing in anyone. Sarve kamaha pramuchyante nadrushtam. All the kamas went off. I have not seen anyone. In Jnanis also. What Upanishad says? I am not seeing in anyone. Vidyaranya says, Drushtam eva. They are seen in Jnanis. Desires are not there in Jnanis. How you have to understand? It's very, very subtle topic. Kamaha means here you should not take desires only. Literal meaning, kama means desire you should not take. Yada sarve pramuchyante kamaha, you are taking. Kamaha means not desires. Kamaha has got another meaning in this context. What is this another context? What I understand immediate meaning is only desire. Very difficult. What is that subtle meaning, in-depth meaning, hidden meaning? That is clarified in 2.3.15 of Kathopanishad itself. Kama means Hridaya Granthi is the Kama. Kama in its literal sense, desire, is not the meaning. Kama, desire, is of two types. Desire born out of habit, desire born from the mind. Two types of desires you have to understand. Vasana based desires. Vasana based desires. There are two types of desires. Vasana based desires you have to understand, and from mind the desire immediately it is born, it is another desire. From mind, just like that, the desire is born. Another desire is born from because of habit, vasanas, impressions, latent tendencies. So there are differences in kama. So kama means here Hridaya Granthi. Hridaya Granthi means a transference. Kama is equal to transference. Kama means transference or connection. Connecting the desire which is in the mind, you are transferring to the Atma, is called Kama here. Up to here, we saw in the last class, transference of desires from the mind, that is Vachyartha I or Ahankara I superimpose upon me the Lakshyartha I, higher I, which is ever free from desires. This transference or connecting mind desires, the desires which are in the mind, I am connecting to that Atma where there is no desire possible at all. I am connecting. How I am connecting? The lower I is mithya. It is not true. Higher I alone is satyam. The desire which is in the mind, which is false, which is in the mind, I am connecting to the higher I where it is not possible. For that I gave one example. Crystal and hibiscus flower, red flower. Now you see the crystal here. Every time I am talking crystal and hibiscus, I got it. Now you can see the red color, red crystal. Are you able to see? You are able to see? Okay. This side also I put. Okay. Now, red color. White crystal appearing as red because of closeness of that red flower. Because of that closeness, can this crystal get redness at any time? For perception, it is red, but it is not at all red in true sense. Japa kusumam sphatika. Sphatika japa kusumavat atma sphatikavat. Mind, body, they have properties, ahankara, lot of other properties, japa kusumavat. Since they both are proximate, very close, unpurifiable, okay? Unpurifiable. How to translate this? Okay, you cannot separate. Here I can separate. But physically you cannot separate body, mind, atma, impossible. Intellectually you separate. Association of those properties you have to dissociate. You have to dissociate from the association of properties. Because of ignorance we are all superimposing, still I have this desire, that desire. Let there be many desires. What is problem? So kama means here hridaya granthi. Hridaya granthi means transference of kama, of that mind upon atma is called hridaya granthi. That is the kama. Pramuchante means what? I am ever free from desires. That is called pramuchante. Not literally pramuchante. Not literally pramuchante, they are free from desires, not literally. Even Jnani is also having desires. Whatever nice food is available, bhiksha, nalla saapudlame, adenna tappu. Desire is of two types, need and preference. If you have need, I need it, I want it, that is the problem. When it is available, take it. If it is available nice, that desire is nothing wrong. Preferences are okay, but need makes you miserable. Preferences never makes you miserable. Coffee is a need. Milk is a preference. If coffee is only preference, if it is available, if it is not available also okay. But for some people, Nescafe, brew coffee, and the brand also, and the thickness that is a need. If I won't get that coffee, I get headache. That is called samsara. Any desire for that matter, as long as it become a habit for you and it is need for you, that is called samsara. For a jnani, all are preferences. My desires, either they fulfill also okay, if they are not fulfilled also okay, doesn't matter. They won't make any difference in me if I am muktaha. No desire, unfulfilled desire come and makes me apurnaha. I am purnaha, atma swarupam. If this desire is not fulfilled, I thought of constructing a ashramam there. I thought of getting so many students like this. I thought of students will understand in this manner. Desires are not fulfilled at all, suppose. I could not construct the ashram so and so place, or I could not prepare the students so and so way. I could not complete the teaching so and so way, what I want. So what? My purnatvam is not going to be disturbed. I, the Atma, am not going to be disturbed whether desires are fulfilled or unfulfilled. Why? Before the desires are fulfilled or unfulfilled, I am Purnaha only. Therefore, ahankara manifests in three ways. Ahankara is equal to what? Apurnatvam. Because of apurnatvam, it manifests as kama. Because of kama, it manifests as karma. Ahankara, vachyartha, I level. Lower I, vachyartha, I, ahankara, I, jiva, I, miserable, I, samsari, I. Apodama? Mooch. Kaadu edkamane sollano. Samsari, I, jiva, I, ahankara, I has got 3 defects. All the time. All the time. What are they? First, apurnatvam, I am incomplete. If the desire is not fulfilled, if I get grandson only, I am purnaha. Tata ahanam. Appa aite, tata ahaname. If tata ahalena, na apurnaha. That is called samsara. This ahankara is always asking one or other. After tata, kollu tata ahanama. Petiki pet, Peti daughter enna Prapautra, Prapautri madre. I want great grandson, great granddaughter. What is this? Apurnaha. That craving. I want to get. That is called samsara. That means what? I am Purnaha, not recognizing this. This fulfillment alone makes me Purnaha. Who is asking this? Ahankara. Because of that kama, because of that karma, doing karma, this karma, that karma. Not for me, Swamini. I am going to temple for my son. I am going to temple for my grandson. I am going to temple for a good son-in-law or good daughter-in-law. I am going for temple. Why? Then only I am Puranaha. That's Ahankarathanude drama. That is why you have to understand here Kama means Hridaya Grandhi. Hridaya Grandhi means transference. Transference means connecting this Ahankara desires to me, the Atma. Class when I ask which I is real, Lakshartha I, Vachyartha I. All of you say loudly, Lakshartha I. Lakshartha I only real. Once Lakshartha I is real, Vachyartha I is unreal, that Vachyartha I desires are also unreal. Mind is unreal. In that mind there are lot of desires to fulfill, unfulfilled, so many things are there. Whether they are fulfilled or not, whenever how it is false, the desire is also false. Why you bother about that? Kavala edukku? And the unreal mind la irukra desires unfulfilled ana edukku kavalai? Saying what? I am Lakshartha I. I am real I. Adi one fake I. Of fake I la desire also fake dane. But samsara is real. Dukkha is real for that person. Struggling every moment. I am Apurnaha, I am Apurnaha. Adi onnu kore Swami. Or chinna kore. Naan Brahman da. I am Brahman only. I know that. But or chinna kore irukke. Adi nadakkadum. Adi nadakkalana kavalai. Whether it happens or not, it is a preference. If my son gets a child, it is a preference. It is not a need. It is not a need. It is a preference. That getting grandson or granddaughter doesn't make me Purnaha. Why? I am already Purnaha. That should not make my mind disturb. That is a need. If it disturbs, it is a need. If it comes, happens, okay. If it doesn't happen, also okay. Because in Ahankara, Anatma, anything can happen, anything can not be happen. It is not in your hands. This is called Hridaya Grandhi. Transferring the limited Anatma desires to the Atma is Yada sarve prabhidyante hridaya grandhayaha. This is the quotation from 2.3.15. Hridaya grandhayaha. It is given in the sloka Panchadashi. But in the mantra, hridayasyeha grandhayaha it comes. Iha hridayasya granthayah. Grantha means not book. Granthi, tatha, second tha. Yada sarve prabhidyante. When all desires, hridaya granthayah means you know now what is transference. Kama grandhi swarupena. Kamaha. There is a dirgham. Kamaha. Separate the word. Grandhi swarupena. That kamaha only. Grandhi swarupena in the form of grandhi is mentioned here. Now you understand what is kama, what is grandhi, what is the meaning of that mantra. All desires will go away means not going away desires. Don't take literally. Prabhidyante pramuchyante means the transference of anatma desires upon me, the original I, will go away. The transference will go away. These desires cannot going to make me full or purnaha. I am ever purnaha. Whether they fulfill or not, they are not going to disturb me. That is called prabhidyante. That is called pramuchyante. It's very difficult. Even Moolam also you won't find this much clarity. That's why we have to study Prakarana Granthas. Why Prakarana Granthas you understand? This type of explanation you don't find in Upanishad. Kama yasya hridishritaha, all desires will go away. That's why Upanishad namak puriyave puriyad. That's why threadbare analysis done here. Hridaya Granthi means not that desires go away from his mind. It can never go. Why? Jnani also having body-mind complex. As long as body is there, there are some preferences. Everyone is having preferences. Nothing wrong with preferences. To get that preferred object, desire, nothing wrong in that. Legitimate, moderate desires to be fulfilled, nothing wrong in that. Therefore, never think he is free from desires. He is free from transference of those desires from the lower I to higher I. That is called Jnanam. That is why people consider Jnani and avarella saaptinde irukkaru, avaru pesinde irukkaru, avaru panninde irukkaru. Nee ippadi nenicha unakku puriyala Jnani anna enna shastram padichadane. Jnani anna ippadi irukano. You are the one who has to label. Jnani ippadi irukkanani. Who are you to label? What do you know about Jnani? Have you studied scriptures thoroughly? If you study, you won't label Jnani should be like this. He should be like this. Anna periya peethadipatiya irukkanamano. Illanna he must have lot of students ano. Or he must teach for all people ano. Or he should not talk at all. Some people like that ano. Maunama irunda Jnani. Pesina அவர் ஞானியே இல்லை. மௌனி பாபா. மௌனி பாபா. That is why people act as though they are doing maunam. இவன் நல்ல பக்தர் போன உடனே பேசுவா சாட்டர் பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி. When they come, they act maunam. Once you are maunam, என்ன தட்சிணாமூர்த்தி மௌன வியாக்கியா. People consider talking person is not a gnani. Those who is not having dadi is not a gnani. Sannyasini anna eppadi dadi varum? Suppose if a female gnani anna dadiye varade appa avar gnaniye illaya. Joking, I am joking. Okay. Kamaha grandhi swarupena. Now you see, kamaha not desires but grandhi swarupena. Grandhi means connecting the desires of the mind which are bound to be there all the time. They are connecting to Atma where it is not possible. Atma is ever free from desires. Nan yaru? Atma, Sakshi Chaitanyam. Ennakulla desires irukradhukke chances illa. Ahankara is my lower I, it is not real I, it is fake I, duplicate I. But those desires bound to be there in that mind. What am I doing intelligently? Intelligence or unintelligento? Unintelligently I am transferring. That is why This is called adhyasa. Next sloka. How this adhyasa happens? He says, 261. Ahankara chidatmanau ekikritya vivekatah idam me syad idam me syat iti ichha kama shabditah. The transference of anatma properties upon atma, it is called adhyasa. Shankaracharya writes in his Sutra Bhashyam, Anyonyasmin Anyonyat Atmakata. Anyonyasmin Anyonya Atmakata Anyonya Dharmanscha Adhyasya. Itaretara avivekena satyanrute midhunikritya ahamidam mamedam iti naisargikoyam loka vyavaharaha. In the introduction bhashyam of Pancha Brahma Sutra, what is adhyasa? He writes, Anyasmin anyonya dharma adhyasaha. The dharma means the property of one object superimposing upon the other is called adhyasa. Here body ahankara properties transferring to aham. That's what he says here. Ahankara chidatmanau. Ahankara is lower I, reflected consciousness. Chidabhasa, jiva. Ahankara abhasa antahkaranam ityartha. Abhasa antahkaranam ahankara. Chidatma. Chideva atma chidatma. Chaitanya atma atmanau ekikritya avivekataha. Ekikritya. Before coming to Panchadashi class, how many of us know lower I, higher I? Only one I we know. After coming to Panchadashi Gita Upanishad class, only you are coming to know there is a higher I, there is a lower I. Higher I is real, lower I is unreal. It is called ahankara. That alone is body-mind complex. Before coming to class, after coming itself, ekikritya. Still we are combining both of them, mixing up ekikritya. Why we are doing ekikritya? In class it is fine, Swamini. Veetukku pona udane ekikritya. Avivekataha. Forgotten. Battery weak. Charging. Class la irundha charging. அப்படியே வீட்டுக்கு போனதுக்குள்ள அது வீக் ஆயிடும். அவிவேகதா, பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் இக்னரன்ஸ். ஏகீகிருத்ய அவிவேகதா. திருத்தியார்த்தே தசி அவிவேகதா பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் இக்னரன்ஸ். மிதுனீகிருத்ய இத்யர்த்தः. ஏகீகிருத்ய மீன்ஸ் மிதுனீகிருத்ய, மிக்சிங் unconsciously, unknowingly, because of ignorance. Because of that mixing up, what is the consequence, result? Idam me syat, idam me syat. Ahankara and Chidatma have mixed up. Lower I and higher I have mixed up. In spite of study. Who is not studying, what to talk of them? படித்தவங்களுக்கே மிதுனீகரணம்னா மிக்சிங் அப். So natural, so easily they are doing. Because of that, ahankara, I feel apurnaha. If I study that text also, I am purnaha. If I complete this only, I am purnaha. If I complete that only, I am purnaha. If I go to Kailas Manasarovar only, I am purnaha. If I go to Amarnath only, some people in the tourist job anamata. If I go to Amarnath only, I am purnaha. If I go to this place, that place only, I am purnaha. Dvadasha lingas ella paatittu varanam. Appada purnaha ba. Enna pandrathu? Kama. Because of the desire, karma. Book the ticket. புக்கிங் த டிக்கெட். புஷ்கரம்லாம் அப்படியே டிப் பண்ணணும், அப்போதான் அவன் பூரணஹா. இல்லைன்னா சந்நியாசம் வாங்கினா தான் நான் பூரணஹா. இல்லைன்னா அது ஒரு குறை இருக்கு சுவாமினி. சில பேர் லைக் தட், தே ஃபீல் லைக் தட், ஐ எம் அப்பூரணஹா. If I go to ashrama only, I am Purnaha. Otherwise, I am in the family all the time. How can I be a Gnani? Therefore, let me go to ashrama. Ee shramam venda Swamini. Ashramam vedonna. I am Apurnaha. This is called mixing up. People unconsciously. Because of ahankara, Apurna continues in the mind. Because of Apurna means what? I am incomplete. If you want to be complete, wear Raymond suit for other people. Raymond suit. If you have a car, you are a Puranaha. அந்த கார் இருக்கணும், இந்த கார் இல்லை சுவாமி, அந்த புது கார் வருது, அப்போதான் நான் அந்த காரில் உட்கார்ந்து when I am driving, everyone should see that I am Puranaha. Ordinary people like that. Those who are religious people like this. After coming to Vedanta, நான் தர்க்கம் படிக்கலையே, மீமாம்சை படிக்கலையே, அது படிக்கலையே, இது படிக்கலையே, அது ஒரு குறை, அது ஒரு அபூர்ணதா. ஸோ ஆல் த வே அபூர்ணதா கண்டினியூஸ். எய்தர் யூ ஆர் an அஜ்ஞானி, யூ ஆர் a Vedantic student, even a ஞானி also is having apurnata, is not a ஞானி. That's why ஞானி is not having that apurnata. Whether they are fulfilled or not fulfilled doesn't matter. No problem. But this person, because of mixing up, it should happen to me, it should come to me. Idam me syat, idam me syat. இந்த சின்ன ஆசிரமம் இருந்தால் நல்லா இருக்கும் சுவாமினி, நீங்கள் ஆசிரமம் கட்டுங்க, நாங்கள் எல்லாம் வருவோம். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ஆஸ்கிங். தென் திஸ் குரு ஆல்சோ கெட் a desire, suppose. Let me have some ashram. Wherever I go, people ask what? Where is your ashram? This is what they ask. சன்னியாசி என்னென்ன ஆசிரமம் இருக்கணும், ஆசிரமம் இல்லையா? அப்படியா? ஐ தாட் ஆசிரமம் இருக்கணும்னு எது கேட்குறான்னு அப்புறம் தான் புரிஞ்சுது எனக்கு. என்ன, கேன் வி கம் அண்ட் ஸ்டே 4 days 5 days? நாட் ஃபார் மை சேக் ஆசிரம், ஃபார் தேர் சேக். தே வாண்ட் டு கம் அண்ட் ஸ்டே 2 days 3 days. தங்கலாமா? சென்னை வந்த தங்கறதுக்காக. தங்கி என்ன பண்ணுவான்னா ரங்கநாச்சிட்டு இல்லைன்னா உஸ்மான் ரோடு போய் எல்லாம் வாங்கிறதுக்கு என்ன தங்கணும் இல்லையோ, தங்குறதுக்கு ஹோட்டல் சொன்னால் நிறைய காசு ஆகும், நிறைய ரிலையபிள் இல்லை. ஆசிரமம்னா ரிலையபிளாக இருக்கும், நன்னா இருக்கும், நிம்மதியாக இருக்கும், ஒன்றும் பே பண்ண வேண்டாம், நம்ம இஷ்டம். இந்த மாதிரி people ask when have ashram, if I don't have ashram, if I feel apurnaha, what is that? Idam me syat, idam me syat. அவர் 2 வாட்டி தான் எழுதிட்டார். You have to write on and on and on. It should happen to me, it should come to me, I want this, I want this. Apurnata leads to kama, kama leads to karma. Therefore people are so busy, you see, doing this or that all the time. ஏதோ ஒரு பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பான், விண்டோ ஷாப்பிங்காவது பண்ணுவான். பிக் ஷாப்பர்ஸ்னா, பிக் ஷாப்பர்ஸ் பேக்னு ஒன்று கொடுப்பான். அந்த பிக்காக இருந்தால் தான் நிறைய வாங்குவேன் இல்லையா? ஸோ இன்னும் ஃபில் ஆகலையே, இன்னும் காலியாக இருக்கே, இன்னொன்று வாங்கு. தட்ஸ் வை தே கிவ் பிக் பேக்ஸ். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? புரியலையே உங்களுக்கு? வை தே கிவ் பிக் பேக்ஸ்? என்ன, இஃப் யூ பை ஓன்லி 1 or 2, தேர் பிஸ்னஸ் won't work. therefore பிக் ஷாப், பிக் ஷாப்னு பிக் பேக் ஷாப் பண்ணார். அந்த மாதிரி யூ கோ அண்ட் சி பீப்புள் ஆர் ஹெவி ரஷ். ஓகே, இதம் மேசியா, இதம் மேசியா, ஜானாதி இச்சதி யததே இதி இச்சா காமசப்திதா. திஸ் இச்சா, இச்சா மீன்ஸ் desire, காமசப்திதா the transfer. Ichha means this transference. Ichha means here transferring, transferred desire to I. Transferred desire to I. Who is I here? How many I's are there? நான் எத்தனை பேர் இருக்கோம்? நான் டிக்கெட் எத்தனை வாங்குறேன்? ஒண்ணுதான். அப்போ நான் ஒண்ணுதானே. So which I is real? Which I is real? Lakshartha I is real. Lower I is unreal. Upon the desires, why I am transferring upon me? Who is Purnaha all the time? Why I am feeling incomplete? That means I am not taking myself as Lakshyartha I. That is why Apurnatva. Verbally I say I am higher I. I give lectures also. Veetukku poi na yara theriyuma higher I. Higher I give lectures. But when the Apurnatva comes, I miss that I am taking myself as lower I, which is not there at all. It is mithya. It is unreal. How can Kama Nivritti takes place now? Tell me. Free from desires, where? That itself is a bogus. Kama Nivritti from Atma is not necessary. Why? Kama is not possible in Atma. The Atma is ever free from Kama. There is no question of Nivritti. Lower I Kama is false. What do you mean by Kama Nivritti? It is meaningless. Kama Nivritti yarukku? Atma enakku Kamame kadiyadu. In the lower I வந்து பொய். இந்த பொய்யான ஒரு நான் அங்கிறதுக்கு காமம் வந்து சத்தியமே இல்லை. இப்போ நிவர்த்தி யாருக்கு? Freedom from Kama. For whom? Tell me. Very, very, very subtle we have to grasp here. There is no nivritti at all. Without knowing that what is real I mixing up with the fake I, it is we are talking Kama Nivritti. ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? What to do? Ichha, that transferred desire to I is called ichha. மனசுல இருக்கிற டிசைர்ஸ் இல்லை, நான் என்ன மேல போட்டுக்கிறேன். என்ன மேல என்ன டிசைர்ஸ் இருக்க முடியாத நான் யாரு? ஆத்மா, பூர்ண ஆத்மா. பூர்ண ஆத்மா. இந்த பூர்ண ஆத்மாக்கு டிசைர்ஸ் உண்டோ? பூர்ணமா இருக்கும் போது என்ன டிசைர்ஸ் இருக்க முடியும்? இருக்க முடியாது. మరి போய் இந்த டிசைர்ஸ் வந்து இந்த மேல ஏன் போடுறோம்? எப்படி போடுறோம்? என்ன ஞானம் வரல అని அர்த்தம். இந்த ஐயே புரியல, அந்த ஐயே புரியல. Lower I is not understood, higher I is also not understood. Then what to do now? You need not do anything. Don't transfer. That's what he says. 262. Apraveshya chidatmanam prithak pashyannaham kritim ichhantu koti vastuni nabadho granthi bhedatah. There is a small correction in second line. Ichhastu is there. That cha dirgham you can strike off. That is ichhan plus tu. Ichat plus tu. Then it becomes, because of sandhi rule, ichan plus tu. Then it becomes ichamstu. Ichamstu. Strike off the dirgha and put a dot upon chakara. Ichamstu. Now what he says, further he continues, chidatmanam apraveshya ahankritim. May you not connect chidatma, that higher I, ahankritim, this lower I. Aham kriti means ahankara. Aham karomi iti ahankara. That is ahankritim. I am doing, I am eating, I am walking, I am sleeping, I am talking. That ahankara. That ahankritim, ahankaram, anupravesha, without connecting. Apraveshya, not anupravesha, apraveshya, without connecting. In artham. Apraveshya means without connecting. Prithak pashyan iha. Prithak pashyan means may you separate ahankara from yourself. Separate from yourself cognitively with understanding. Cognitively means in the form of understanding. Prithak pashyan. Prithak pashyan means see them separately. How can you can see them separately? Ahankara can you see with your eyes to separate? Atma you can never see. How can you separate them? Cognitively. Understand they are separate. Can they mix up? It's not possible. Can you mix up dream water and waking water? Can you mix up? No. Why? Both of them are different order of reality. You cannot mix up. Similarly, mind-body complex, its desires are lower order of reality, Vyavaharika Satyam. And Atma Chaitanyam is Paramarthika Satyam. How can you mix up? We are mixing up. So great we are. Ishvara is also Apurnaha from Ishvara's standpoint. Why? I am Apurnaha only because Jivas are enjoying nicely. I am not enjoying. Jiva is having samsara. Ishvara is not having samsara. Our Apurnaha dane. Our kita samsaram ille, dukkhame ille. Jiva's dukkham eppadi irukonu solli avaru paakanuma. He want to know. Ishvara is sarvagnaha, sarvashaktiman. He is muktaha all the time. He never knew what is samsara, what is dukkha. So he want to taste what is dukkha. In Apurnaha, no? Ishvara, feeling. Born as Rama. That's why taking human form, appearing, let me see what is dukkha. Vanditar, avalada maatitar Ramar. Porandadalindi, last work, pavam kashtapatti, ida samsaram, appo Vishnu lokatike pore. The moment he is born and is growing, the teenage kuda vandado illiyo, avalada gone to forest. And struggling. Andamma chumma irukkodadu Sita. Adu mele innor problem. Appo Lanka poi. Adukaprom nammide irukkodadu. Adukaprom kaattukku anupitaru. Kaattukku anupinadukaprom kolandai illa, wife illa, veetla aludinde irukkaru, palace paathindi. Enna Paramatmar paavam. Taste paakradhukaga vandaru samsaram eppadi irukkumaani. Adu madri Apurnatvam, whoever takes body, even Bhagavan comes into this body, he has to undergo this karma. No one can avoid. Ahankritim apraveshya chidatmanam pruthak pashyan. See them both are separate. They cannot be mixed up or messed up. No, impossible. Ichhamstu Koti vastuni. After separating that, may you desire not one or two, crores and crores, koti vastuni. May you desire plenty, doesn't matter. After separating. These desires in Anahankara, Anatma, whether they fulfill also okay, if they are not fulfilled also okay, they fulfill in a different way also okay, non-enichana madri ahalanna, vere aharde, ahatame. That nature is like that. Either it kartum, akartum, anyadhava kartum. Whether it happens, whether it is done in one way or not done in that way or done in another way. Let it happen. Koti vastuni. May you desire whole Ranganath street, whole bazaar, Pandi bazaar, whole all shops. Go and buy. Say bye. Koti vastuni. So what? Grandhi bhedataha na badhaha. Because you are not transferring them. Grandhi bhedataha. Because you have destroyed that grandhi. Transferring the lower eye desires to higher eye you have stopped. These desires are fulfilled or not, doesn't matter. I am not losing my sleep. Because these desires are not fulfilled. I am not losing my sleep. I am not worrying at all. Even worry comes also. అని கேட்பேன். சப்போஸ் சடன்லி ஒரு செகண்ட் ட்ரைவ் உத்தம க்ஷணகோபஸ்யாத். ஞானி இஸ் உத்தமன், புருஷோத்தமன் இல்லையா? ஞானி உத்தம க்ஷணகோபஸ்யாத். ஈவன் கோபா கம்ஸ், க்ஷணம் வந்து போயிடுவது. உடனே ஹி லுக்ஸ் அட் தட் பார்க்கிங். நோ டாக் பார்க் பண்ணும்போது இப்படி பார்த்தா போயிடும். நம்ம பார்க்கணுமே, துரத்திண்டே இருக்க டாக், நம்ம ஓடிண்டே இருக்கோம். என்ன ஆகும்? ஞானி லுக்ஸ் பேக். வாட் லுக்ஸ் பேக்? டோன்ட் see really. Look at that desire which arises in the mind, whether it is fulfilled or not fulfilled, doesn't make any change in me. Grandhi bhedataha, because of non-transference of that lower I desires to higher I, na badhaha, they will not cause any pain or sorrow in him. Whether they are fulfilled or not fulfilled, or they fulfilled in another way. Other way mean எனக்கு பிடிக்காத விதமா சப்போஸ் ஃபுல்ஃபில்டு, என்ன ஆகும்? கஷ்டமா இருக்குமா? வேண்டாம், ஆனா ஆகட்டுமே. என்ன அப்படிதான், என்னதான் நடக்கும் நடக்கட்டுமே. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. ந பாதஹா, there is no problem. பாதஹா ந அஸ்தி, there is no sorrow, there is no murmuring inside, there is no grumbling happening like this. Kshanam, suppose it happens like that, whatever way he doesn't want happen, okay, what to do? So what? FIR reduction. Swamiji says, frequency reduction, intensity reduction, recovery period is very less. Immediately I am higher I, this lower I, no mixing up. என்ன ஃப்ரீடம் பாருங்க. திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் மோக்ஷா. இல்லைன்னா என்ன ஆகும் தெரியுமோ? பையனுக்கு சீட்டு வரல, வந்தது எந்த காலேஜில்? நான் நினைச்சின காலேஜில் வரல. இந்த மாதிரி திண்டாடின்னு இருக்கோம் நம்ம. ஒன்னா ரெண்டா நிறைய. இஃப் யூ ஹாவ் நாலேஜ் அண்ட் டிசைர் கோட்டி வஸ்தூனி ந பாதஹா அஸ்தி, அதர்வைஸ் பாதஹா அஸ்தி பவதி ஏவ. கிரந்தி பேதேபி சம்பாவ்ய இச்சா பிராரப்த தோஷதஹ புத்வாபி பாபம் பாஹுல்யாத் அசந்தோஷோ யதா தவ. ஓகே. கிரந்தி பேதேபி பிராரப்த தோஷதஹ இச்சா சம்பாவ்ய. After Grandhi Bheda, I am not transferring. We are taking a Gnani. Now Gnani is not transferring the desires of the mind to that higher I. So Grandhi Bheda is not there. The Grandhi Bheda he has done. Grandhi Bheda means what? That transferring the desire from lower I to Ahankara to Chidatma. That is called Kama. That Kama, if he breaks, not transferring, it is called Bheda. Transference is called Grandhi. If I stop transferring, is called Bheda. Bheda means what? Breaking, stopping, not connecting, not transferring, is called Bheda. Grandhi Bheda. So having done Grandhi Bheda also, some Jnanis still they are suffering. Why? He is telling Grandhi Bhede api, even there is Grandhi Bheda, prarabdha doshataha. Here dosha means not dosha but sambandha. Body, as long as body is there, Gnani after Grandhi Bheda also, Gnani body continues or not? Continues. When body continues, that body has got mind, that mind has got vasanas, that mind has got habitual notions, certain vasanas, பழைய habits நிறைய இருக்கும் அந்த மனசுக்கு. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணும்? பிராரப்த சம்பந்தாத். Prarabdha, because of prarabdha, ichha sambhavya, desire occurs. Desire occurs. Even though there is no Grandhi Bheda. This is what, like switching off fan, I have switched off, called Grandhi Bheda. After switching off also, why it is rotating? Because of previous momentum. Adhe madri, after Grandhi Bheda also, Jnani's body, mind is having past momentum, that vasana. That's why I said, desire is two types. Desire to eat food, but certain desires based on vasana, latent impressions, potential impressions, habits, bahulyat, because of their possibility, sambhavya. Grandhi bhede api prarabdha doshataha ichha sambhavya. Ichha means desires. All desires which are based on vasana. Buddha api papa bahulyat. Because of papa, Buddha api, having understood I am higher I am asangaha, I am purnaha, I am ananda swarupaha, Buddha api papa bahulyat asantoshaha yatha tava. Have to do anvaya this way. Buddha api papa bahulyat tava yatha tava asantoshaha asti tatha. Because yatha is there, you have to supply another correlative tatha. Buddha api papa bahulyat yatha tava asantoshaha asti tatha. Now you have to go to first line. Grandhi bhede api prarabdha doshataha ichhaha sambhavya. Having realized that you are Atma, you are having desires or not. Similarly, after breaking that transference, in spite of that, there is a possibility of desire in that Jnani because of prarabdha dosha. So what? That he has to suffer. Suffer means what? Because of papa prarabdha. Undergoes. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.